You can fight on yourself.
Yeah, I'm Commando Pavitra from Yes Bank. I'm at the Empire camp. I reached here like 2 days back, day before yesterday, and we have been doing a lot of activities which actually test our strength and willpower to complete those activities. Being a girl, if I can do it, I believe that anybody can do these activities. And believe me, the best so far is the one that we are doing right now, which has so many activities clubbed together. It's very tough.
What is it called?
This is called as Prahar activity, which has about 12 to 13 activities, and we need to choose one of those. Is the commando crossing. We also did flying fox, wherein the flying part was difficult, but actually climbing to do it was very tough. And we also had log race. The toughest one is gonna be climbing the 9 feet wall. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but yes, I will do it with the help of the other team members. The best part of the camp is you can't do everything alone all by yourself. You need to try and assess what are the strengths and weaknesses of your teammates, and as a group you need to complete these activities. So it actually brings all of you together. Believe me, we are all random people. We are from Yes Bank, but with different branches we have come together. We got to know everybody only after coming to this this Empire activity, and we have got very well gelled up. And thanks to Brigadier also, who arranged for all these activities. River rafting was, raft building was very good. Some of us had a fear of getting into the water. It helped them overcome that fear as well. We had to build a raft. We didn't know it was that easy. Initially I was perturbed that it might be really difficult. We also got into the water and did the rafting, and we completed it on time. Luckily we won the raft building activity. Only 2 girls are here, and initially I felt very bad that only 2 of us are going to be there in all these activities, but I think I can do anything. I'm wearing shorts. I've never worn shorts in front of guys. I was told that I have to wear shorts, and I'm just not bothered. I'm not just conscious about what I'm wearing or what I'm doing. I just want to finish the task, all the activities with my teammates.
Oh, you've been doing wonderfully well, Pavitra. You're really doing very well.
Thank you.
And yes, I've seen that even as a girl, you've done everything so beautifully. Now tell me, do you think this will help you in any way?
Yes, it will definitely help me. What this activity, the main lesson that I have got to know is, one is team coordination, proper communication actually helps us achieve things in a better way. Third thing, very important, is if you think you can't do it, you can't do it. You just focus on your goal and just believe that you can do it, and you will definitely do it. Just don't have the negative thought that you cannot do it. That's it.
So we could have learned this in the classroom also, no?
Yeah, but classroom learning doesn't help us because we are not, we are not put into activities. We are not made to do anything. So it's just theoretical.
So the experience helps.
The best part is we are doing it also, and we have a classroom session also that kind of reinforces the things that we learn, on ground.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.